Okay, I'm gonna inflate it now. So in this next video, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna inflate the thing. So here it goes. Hold on for a second. Yeah, hopefully the first one should got one. So here it goes.
Hello? Oh, good morning. I'm calling on behalf of Rodney Trotter. He won't be in today because he... What do you mean? Right. You tell her I'm trying to run the head. The head of the computer section. He's the head. He's the head of the computer.
There you go, that's first. There you go, that's the first part.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, sorry that my camera was moving around. Your camera moved. Yeah, it's because my... I know, it's because, you know... Okay, the second one now, so... There's... Okay...